Hi guys, this is the Onitsha Enugu Express Road. This is a federal road that has been blocked by Anambra. Traffic builds up from here up the way into the city, and as you can see, the people are demanding their governor comes and tells them the processes that have been initiated to implement justice for the victims of SARS in Anambra State. Anambra State is no longer talking of just scrapping of SARS, as that has been done long ago. Of course, SARS has been dismantled, but we are not resting on our laurels, and that is not enough for us. We want justice for victims of SARS. Until the governor comes and tells us the process that has been initiated for this, we will not relent. We have blocked both sides of a federal highway right in front of the government house, and people are demanding that they will sleep here if need be till the governor comes and tells us the processes that has been initiated for victims of SARS. It's no longer just ENDSARS in Anambra. We've done that on Saturday. It's now justice. We are here for justice. SARS has been scrapped. We are here for justice.